2023 is the last year of gas-powered muscle cars from Dodge, like this new 2023 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat edition that is the Jailbreak edition. That means it has a 6.2-liter Hemi that is supercharged. That means 800 horsepower coupled with an 8-speed torque flight auto. Guess what? You're going to get a lot of performance. Your dream car is going to be the competition's nightmare. We've got the K&N air filter here also. Last call, last call, last call. That's right, this is it. Triple nickel finish, matte Vapor wheels wrapped in Pirelli's Hellcat logo, leather throughout from the seats to the shifter boot. There's 5 years of Sirius XM jailbreak gauge cluster, including a 200-mile-per-hour speedometer, blacked out gas cap, and the big, huge spoiler in the back. Oh yeah, all that downforce. Now, we've got plenty of room for you and your crew, but guess what? In here, we've got dual subwoofers of that Harman Kardon stereo. This thing rocks both the way it sounds with the engine and with the radio. So come on by Payne, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram for your last chance to get the big supercharged Hemi-powered muscle car from Dodge. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo que tú quieres, regardless.